This is ToDo Today app. It was made with one prompt. The full logic and the views was made with one single prompt. So here is the prompt on the left. And as you can see, it's all the prompt with all the details. Then the bolt started to creating all of the files. Then one more thing was added, like the badge, and deployed to the production. And that's it. And what this app does, it's like basically daily planner and daily organizer. So you can like add tasks and run daily sprints. So you can have you can do it this way. So to follow the simple process of adding tasks, categorizing them, and then running the daily sprint, or you can just go and track the tasks. You can have also goals with the short, medium, and long term, and you can track some habits. You can also have the history and some settings where you can set like the default time for the sprint should be like 8 hours. And for example, basic task should be for 5 minutes. So our settings are saved automatically. And I uncheck this, let's check this again. So let's go to the app. So let's add something new task, make a short video. Let's do it 3 minutes, add the task. Let's add some other task. Post a video to X with the hashtag. Let's do this. That's going to be also like 5 minutes. And let's say that's all for today. So now let's move to select tasks. We can here we have our sprint planning, daily sprint. We can set what we want, and we have our 8 hours time frame here. We can also auto select. If we would have more tasks, then it would fill our daily schedule. So this is what we got. Let's go next. And now we can review those tasks again, and when we're ready, we just start the sprint. So we can start our task. You can see our timer is running. We can pause them and we can complete it. You can see it completed some tasks, and you can start the next one. Sure, let's pause it or stop it and complete. Boom, we done it. So we can go to the next sprint and plan the next one. You can check the history because we already completed one sprint and 2 tasks. We can check the task history. And here in tasks, we would see our current not done tasks. So this is the view. But let's go to the goals. I will add some goals so you can see that we can work on things. Hackathon submission. Let's do that. This is a very short-term goal. The deadline is tomorrow. And set this as a focus goal. And what do we need? We need description, random, some random stuff. So let's create that, and we can have our focus goal. So now when we add the tasks, let's move to different views just to see how it works. New stuff for hackathon, and let's add this to our goal and create the task. So you can see we have it linked with our hackathon. When you go to goals, we can see that there's one task, and we can basically start it from this list. So we don't need to do the planner, but we can do it. So we can add new stuff and just, we can do something else. Let's go. Okay, I don't see that options because I was going to go for the habits, but I think the one prompt didn't get it. So we have this new task. Let's move to the next one. Oh, and you can see in the today we've added one task, but in available task we have like the list from all of the tasks. And when we get back to today, we have saved the progress, so we are still on the second step. We can select everything and start our next sprint. So let's complete that everything plan next sprint, and let's go to the habits. So we will check what the app did. So create the thing and water plans. Okay, and make this recurring. Let's do it weekly. So Sunday, Wednesday, and now we have like a task for our habits. Yeah, and that's nice. So we can mark it as done, and probably tomorrow it should create another task. So this is it. This is the app.